What's up YouTube, back at it again with another video. Today's video is installing a dash cam on my car. I bought it at the Swami. The guy sold it to me for $50. It has the backup camera and the front camera, so yeah, $50 is not bad. That's how they usually go for Amazon, so I didn't want to wait for Amazon to get to deliver my package. So yeah, I got it from the Swami. I'm from California, so it's from the Santa Fe Swami. So yeah, I'm gonna try to install this. Let me show you guys how the camera looks. I did open it, but I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. If you guys are interested in the camera, I might put the link down below. What's it called? Or not? You guys can screenshot the what's it called, the box or whatever, so you guys can see the camera and what comes with it. So yeah, let me show you guys. Give me 1 second. Okay, guys. So here is the rear mirror camera dash cam. This is what it's called: Starlight Night Vision dash cam, full HD. Here's the size of it. Here's what it does. There's more stuff in the back, I think. Yeah, there's more stuff in the back. Here it is. So you guys just get to it. Let's see how it looks. I've seen it already, but this is gonna be the first time you guys seen it. I know you guys seen plenty of them, but here it is. Take it out. Here it is. Here is the rear view mirror dash cam. This is how it looks. Here's the top of it. And here's the back of it. Right here goes 2 straps to go to your OEM rear view mirror. And the camera, I just noticed right now, you could adjust it right here. You can pull it, push it back in. So yeah, and here's the button to turn it on. So yeah, and it does come with the memory card. I did get that, but I forgot it at the house. So when I'm done installing it, I'll install the chip. So yeah, here's the cigarette lighter for the dash cam. Sorry about the noise. Ambulance are passing by. Anyways, here it is. Sorry, I had to pause it a little bit because of the ambulance passing by. But anyways, here it is. Here's how it looks for the cigarette lighter. Here is the connection that was on top of the dash cam. Here's the connection. And here are the 2 straps that go behind the mirror. And here is the backup camera. I don't know if I'm gonna install it, but here it is. Here's how it looks. Here's the connections to it. I don't know if you guys can really see it. Here's the camera. You guys can hardly see it, but anyways, here's the camera. Here's the connections and everything. But let me get back to you guys when I'm done installing the camera and show you guys how it works and everything. I'll be back. Alright guys, here's the camera. I installed it. This is how it's off right now. If I click the screen, it turns on. And if I go under here, it'll turn on, obviously. Do this. It's on. I pass the wires through here, underneath the headliner, all the way here, through here, and where else? Well, first of all, I started from here. Pass the wire through here, all the way over here, this way, then going up, and that way, then here. So you see, that's how it looks. I didn't get the chance to install the backup camera. I was still thinking about it to do that one because I want to get like one from Amazon. There's an OEM one that looks OEM with the backup camera. And I'm planning on putting the backup camera in the front, so I don't know. I'm not really sure. So yeah, that's how it looks. So we go back. Here's home. Here are some settings. System setup, playback, format, record audio, video mode, photo mode. So that's pretty much it. Change the time. I need to change the time. Still need to figure that out. And the date. So yeah, let me see, let's put this together. Time. 5 minutes. I don't know what that is. Cam. Click here, screensaver, language. Well, what else? Oh, right here. Date and time. Click here. 2026. The date is the 14. Now it's not really sure, but like 5 or something. Well, anyways, I'll do that later. But here it is. Here are some recordings. Record audio on. Format. Okay. Video mode. Go back. Photo mode. You can take photo. Home. Playback. I don't have the SD card, so I just play back. There you go. So that's how it looks. So yeah. It's pretty cool. I like it for $50. Not too bad, not too shabby. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So you guys, if you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up, like and subscribe. I'm trying to get this channel up and going. I do have a couple of videos. I have the first video I did about my truck, and after that I have another video about fixing my mom's car. So yeah, I'm trying to get this channel up and going. 2026 is hopefully my year. But yeah, how I said, please like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one. Peace.